Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send crypto from Revolut to Revolut X. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, first thing first, you have to simply visit Revolut X instead of Revolut itself. Once you have gone through the Revolut X official website by typing in revolut.com in your browser, you will be able to go through the deposit section. Go ahead, simply initiate a deposit. You just have to click on the deposits and withdrawal button that will be in the right side of the page. As soon as you get it, just make sure that you are signed in as well. Right from over here, you will be able to go through the withdrawal. Once you sign in, you can go through the withdrawal section. Then from there, select deposit button, and then you simply have to choose the Revolut app balance. Simply go ahead, choose the available balance in your retail app in crypto, or you can add a USD with the balance available from any currency as well. So that's how you will be able to directly send crypto to your Revolut X, because they will be connected. So you can just choose a balance and choose to add in deposit in your Revolut X by using Revolut accounts balance. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.